Hi everyone, I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and you're watching the JMOR Reviews channel. Today, we're actually doing an unboxing and a review because it's just taking this out of the box. So it's called the OTT Light. It's a 13-watt slimline task lamp. Looks pretty cool. It says it's space-saving, compact, folding design. And it's supposed to have some really bright illumination that's like natural illumination. So this should be pretty interesting, and they claim that it can last up to 10,000 hours, that it actually gives you true colors, clear details, and reduced glare and eye strain. Why don't we check this out? There's nothing to actually take off. I love boxes you can just open like this. All right. So we get a few things here. This is a tool, so you already know I have to put something together. But I'm happy they gave us the tool. I spoke too soon, there's tape. There's more tape. They kind of fooled me. What looks like what's in here, everyone, is the stand. Just to show you. And in case you were wondering, it is FCC guidelines. It's made in China. The patent is still pending. And that's for indoor use only. And that's what the top looks like. All right. So let's go ahead and take this out of its bag. Probably better to unfurl it here, just like that. And I'm going to take this little thing off the top, just like that. And it looks like I'm going to take this off of the bulb, okay? And we'll just peel this off the top like that. All right, great. And I'll peel this off here. And there appears to be a little screw at the bottom that you guys can see. And it looks like what they gave us, pretty handy in here. It's actually a screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver. That's nice. We'll take that out. Pretty easy to assemble. And we're gonna push the screw through the bottom just like that. And we're going to use the screwdriver. I tell you, I like this screwdriver. It's looks like the plug on here is. Did they give us a plug? Yep, they did give us a polarized plug. So you can notice that one is actually just a little bit bigger than the other, so you can't put it in the wrong way. So I'll plug this right in here. All right. We'll turn it on. So it has an on and it has an off button. It's okay. I wouldn't say I'm in love with it. I mean, it looks kind of sleek and stylish and all that. It has some nice little bends like that, but I don't know. I'll tell you the one thing, the bulb is probably not cheap because it's not a typical bulb. Just looking at the box, it's a 10,000 hour bulb, but you have to buy the bulb from them. It's like their special little, this looks like a U fluorescent bulb, but it's a little bit different. You have to buy it from OTT Light. You can't just like buy this anywhere. I don't know, guys. It looks nice. I'm really happy with the construction of it. What I am disappointed about, I'm a little disappointed with the light. It's okay. and I think you could read under it, but I guess I was just hoping for a little more light. I mean, 13 watts. You know, they're saying that everything looks a lot sharper. So if I look at this here or here, this light or another light, I don't notice a big difference from my light in the ceiling to this light here. In fact, my light in the ceiling, I think, actually lights it up better. I hate to do this to you guys. Again, I gave it a 10 on assembly. It is made very well and it was very easy to assemble, so I'm not going to knock that. And it does have some good features, like you can fold it, you know, in like this. You know, you can turn it on, you can turn it off. It's very lightweight. I am gonna give it, I think I'm gonna give it a 5, just because it's nice, but I don't think it's enough light for most people to read by. And if you're gonna be using it for studying or to research or look up things, I don't know, it might be a good light to have alongside the computer to like maybe illustrate something you want to look at, but I can't see myself reading under this light. And they claim that it's going to make the colors very bright. The colors are brighter from my light in the ceiling, which is actually an LED light. Okay, and this is I think it's like a fluorescent light. So I don't know. I was really impressed by the packaging and the concept, but it's just not doing it for me. Now they have different sizes and stuff like that, and they even have bigger lights, so you know, maybe we'll try another light, but I don't know. I don't think the light would normally be worth almost $59. It was on sale, I think, for $39. So, you know, not a bad light for 39 bucks, but the whole thing I like to tell you is if you buy something and it's going to sit in a closet or you're not going to use it, well, why would you buy it? So it's getting a 5 from me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and you've been watching the JMOR Reviews channel. Listen, if you like any of our content, you can go to any of our channels. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the bell notification icon, hit the subscribe button. So again, that the algorithms improve, but by hitting the bell notification, you'll be notified when new videos are posted of this type of content. And again, if you're enjoying the content, below each video, we have a little link that says, you know, help keep these videos free forever. Click on that, make a one-time donation, or schedule donations every single month. Our team really would appreciate it, as putting these videos together takes a lot of time and effort, and we really want to bring you the best quality possible. But listen, if you have a product that you would like me to unbox, you can reach out to us at jmor.com on the reach out button on the top. Just go ahead and tell us what you have. We'll let you know if we're interested, and you can send us that product. It needs to be something technical, it can be mechanical, it can be solar, electrical, etc. And we'll tell you where to box the product, and we will do a review. Depending on whether the product has a lot of parts, we'll either just do an unboxing and just a review, or we'll do an unboxing interview, depending on, you know, whether there's more than a couple pieces in the box. And that's pretty much about it. But the thing I want to let you know is that you can't pay us to tell us what you want us to say about your product. So if you're trying to send us a lemon, no pun intended, we're not going to make lemonade out of your lemons. So again, we're more than happy to share the truth about your product. And if you want that to get out to the world, then reach out to us.